Hi everyone,
My name is Janvi
and my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today we are going to show you a super easy recipe of chocolate sandwich. You can make this for birthday parties, some get-togethers or for school lunch boxes. So let's have a look at the recipe. So for this recipe we'll take 4 bread slices and now we'll apply butter on 2 bread. We have to add extra butter on both the breads, or you can say more butter. Now I have applied butter on both the breads. Now we have to apply chocolate spread on the other 2 breads. You can use chocolate spread or chocolate syrup, whichever is available to you. Flip the bread and make a sandwich of 1 butter bread and 1 chocolate bread. Now we'll preheat our toaster. Now our toaster is preheated. Now we'll keep the sandwiches in it and close it and toast till they are golden brown. Now our bread has toasted, you can see. And now we'll remove it. Now we'll cut this. You can make smaller pieces, bigger pieces as per your wish. And now we'll plate this. Now we'll take another sandwich and grate some chocolate on it also. And now we'll drizzle some chocolate. And now our chocolate sandwich is ready. This is very yummy. So this is a chocolate sandwich. Please do try it and tell us on comments how it was made. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.
Bye.